A few new things have been added to Solid Edge ST5 simulation to assist the user, in particular in the results side of things. So here we've already run an analysis on this part, and when we go to the results, you'll notice now that we combine both solid and surface meshes. In ST4, we had quite an extensive pull-down list where you would have the top of the sheet body and the bottom of the sheet body, and then you would have the von Mises of the actual solid body. Well, now it's all been combined into one readout or one display, and of course it reduces the amount of selections you have to make in the pull-down list. Here you can see that the sheet body is reflected as well as the solid body is reflected with the results. Another change that we've made, and if I go back out of here and we go into the mesh dialog, you're going to notice that we've also added show plate thickness. And you'll notice that it will take the plate, the thickness, and actually apply it in the mesh dialog. And so we can mesh and solve. We've already meshed and solved. So you have the show plate thickness here. And when we get into the results, you'll also notice, and I'll go back to the actual here, that we also have the plate thickness in the new display options pull-down menu. Now, one thing to mention about this pull-down menu is you cannot access any other commands until you actually close this menu. But in the display options, we've also added plate thickness here, and then when you close it, it goes away. So some really nice enhancements when it comes to displaying results of both surface and solid bodies, and the plate thickness in both the mesh dialog and also in the display options. Now, one other thing to very quickly show you is if you're just displaying a sheet body and you run the probe. The probe has been enhanced also to pick up the nodes, and you'll notice that I'm getting both a top and bottom value. So it understands that it has a thickness to it, and it's going to give you both the top and bottom value readout when you do the probe as well. So these are some nice new things in the results side, as well as showing the plate thickness, and hopefully you'll enjoy this addition to ST5 simulation.